If you will at night, you already know factory lights don't cut it. Today, we're installing Baja Designs S8 30-inch light bar. Let's get it wired and lit. I got the C4 bumper secured in here. We also have the winch that's going on it right there. Any of the mounting bolts or anything. It's all done. We managed to mount the winch. As soon as the light bar comes in, we'll video that for you guys too. We're installing this Baja light bar here. S30. It's gonna go here on the C4 bumper. We didn't remove it all the way. You can see, we just kind of loosened all the bits and pieces here. We removed all these parts down here, loosen those bolts, loosen this bolt, and then there's one on the other side. And we did that for both sides. And then we obviously took off these bolts up here and the little clip for the electrical right here. This part was clipped in, unplugged it, pulled the grill off, and now we're ready. We got enough space here to mount this light bar. So let's do it. Oh, I do want to mention something. These two clips here, those two clips, you're gonna need to make sure you're clear of when you're pulling it out. I tried to force mine a little bit, so this clip broke off right here. So we're gonna get some JB weld and get that back on, just so we can have more security. I think the C4 bumper was made to go with the Tacoma because look, it even says C4 right there. This is what we're installing here, as well as these goodies here. So we're gonna put these brackets like this. I'm gonna get these on the other side. There you go. This is an 11. Already got Loctite on it, so don't even worry about it. Just get both sides screwed on tight. A little wire work. We just matched up the gauges. The red is 12, the black is 14, and the blue is 16. So now we're gonna add this wire loom to keep it all nice and neat. And then we'll zip tie it. Since we have the winch, zip tied it to this piece here. There's a little lip here you can see, so that helps keep it secure. We're gonna do that, but on the underside here, I can't see it, but you guys can. This is where we're gonna use this area here for those wires. I don't know if you guys noticed this too, but I use fender liner here. If you're looking for tools, you can use something like this. It's gonna strip the wires. We're using it to cut the wires. You can see pieces of it down there. This is another form of a wire stripper here. And this part here is like a cutter on the very base of this. Beal's just sliding all the wiring, all the loom in over the wire. And then we're just slowly feeding it through. It's gonna look nice and clean. We got all this back on. Very simple to do actually. That bolt, this little push pin, and this little push pin, and then just pops right off. But we got this back on. Now we are going to plug this back in. And plug this guy in. And that guy there. It's all the way in. All right, so now that the sensor's working again, now we're gonna fix the bumper, get it all the way up. But check it out, you kind of see how bad it looks. And we'll turn on the lights for you, give you guys a quick light show after this. So we're just gonna zip tie some of this up until we get our cables organized here. All right, here's a quick light show. I've built the truck into something I trust deep into the backcountry. I'm into overlanding, real trail time, remote camps, hard trails, and big views. I now want this channel to help others to get out there and build rigs they can rely on.
Hallelujah. Amen. It wasn't a dream, John was in the spirit. It was on the Lord's day, behold his appearance. He saw the Son of Man, the Alpha, Omega, the first and the last, the one who came down to save us. 7 stars in his right hand, 7 golden lampstands represent the